Easter Monday was the day of egg rolling at the White House. The festivities in Washington lasted from morning until sunset. They were accompanied by live music and educational activities for children. Poles in the U.S. also cultivate American holiday traditions, often in conjunction with Polish ones. We live in America. We have to embody American traditions just as much as Polish ones, especially since here we have combined Polish and American traditions. We bring together Polish and American people in one environment. Also, we need to merge all this, unite it. For those living far from their homeland, national customs become even more important, and keeping them alive bring them closer to their compatriots and bring back childhood memories.
I still remember we would come to the church for Easter egg hunts and all that fun stuff around Easter, and it's just nice to be able to actually help out in doing it, and I feel like it's something that should continue for ever.
The search for Easter eggs is a big attraction for children. In specially designated areas and gardens and parks, children search for hidden Easter eggs. Usually the person who collects the most wins. Sometimes the prize goes to the person who finds the largest or smallest and the golden egg.
Tradycja szukania jajek.
The tradition of searching for eggs dates back to the 16th century, when Martin Luther organized an egg search for his parish, for his congregation, and the tradition persists mainly in America. There is a great deal of joy for children when they find the eggs. Of course, this involves receiving prizes, and especially if they find the so-called golden egg.
Jest bardzo dużo radości dla dzieci, kiedy znajdą jajka.
Polish Easter customs are being passed on to the younger generation in the U.S. Despite traffic jams in the distance some people have to travel, a lot of people took part in the fun. We prepared for quite a long time. At home, we packed all those eggs, bags, prizes, and it went smoothly. We are very happy with this tradition because the children have a lot of fun.
Z Los Angeles.
From Los Angeles for TV Republika, Małgorzata Schultz.